Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today's topic is related to our previous video, and if you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the descriptions under this video. Also, you can subscribe to our channel and follow our other social media accounts for the latest news and airdrop chances. When we trade, we can never sell all of our coins. At the end of each transaction, a small fraction remains in the system, and we cannot sell these small fractions as they are sometimes 25 cents worth or several dollars, because in Binance your asset needs to be at a minimum of $10 worth for you to sell it. So in time you may develop a small amount of garbage laying in your wallet. Now, as I explained in the previous video, we can get a commission fee deduction of 45% on spot trades by holding small amounts of BNB coins in our spot wallet. Also, if you haven't watched that video, pause this video right now and watch that video. You can get another 20% discount by using our referral code during the sign up. So as you can see, I have less than $1 divided into 3 tokens, and since they are less than $10, I cannot sell them. But thanks to Binance, I can convert these tokens into a BNB coin and use them later to pay my commission fee with a discount whenever I trade in the spot market. Now, if I click on this convert small balance to BNB button, you can select any single coin, or you can choose all of them like I did and convert them into BNB coin with only 2% fee rate. But you can do that only once in every 6 hours. Now let's convert our tokens into a small fraction of BNB coin. And it is done. Now I can use these small fractions of BNB coin to pay my commission fees and get a 25% discount. Well, I hope you liked our video and found it educative. After all, our goal is to help and guide our community by providing solid projects and tutorial sets. If you want to keep up with the latest events and blockchain news, click on the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.